your favorite emoji disappeared from your iPhone keyboard after updating iOS? Today, I'll tell you how to get those missing emojis back. Watch until the end. I will also share a useful tip. So what we're gonna do in this case is open up the settings first, then click General, and then click the keyboard section. And now I want you to scroll all the way down to find Emoji Stickers and turn that off by toggle off the switch. This value disables sticker integration and should bring back all your old emojis. Now just go back in main settings, swipe the app up and close it from recents. And try to find your emojis once more. If you still cannot see them, then go back in settings, again general, and again keyboard. Now click on your keyboards and just click edit and then remove your emoji keyboard from this list. After that, you can just easily bring it back. So find emoji and here it is. Again, reset the settings and check the result by opening any messaging app and tapping the emoji icon on the keyboard. Everything should be there. And that's it. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.